Now you've turned on a strategy on this chart to track any group reversals that happen on both it as well as one of our other charts. Here you notice the well-defined group reversal as the market moved up into that previous high. And this is pretty much another indication why we're suggesting that we're losing strength in this at these levels. The market should be moving down. In other words, if you just look at these prices in here, they're all negative. No strength there. And we see another group reversal that just was produced on this chart. Cyan back to dark cyan to dark green. Now let me show you what we do with that. Now here's our little key. When we went from dark cyan to dark green, that actually showed strength. Okay, that actually was a show of some strength. We went from a 4 to a 5. Okay, so if we go back to a 4 again, which is what we're doing right here, that's where the loss of strength is taking place. There you go. Okay, loss of strength. Now what I've done is I've just pulled two charts onto the screen here so we can watch them both at the same time. No reversal at the bottom yet. Although we are getting an indication of a little bit of strength coming back in from the tick. But the market is short. That just happens to be one of our other indicators. That little siren that you heard. We won't talk about it. Now, one of our indicators was pulling some long trades in here based upon both the strength of the ES on a very fast chart as well as the tick, as we mentioned. Here we have just a few long trades being taken in here based upon some additional internal market indicators. but it would appear to us that the overall direction here is still short. Okay, we should now see it come back down and drop below the previous low here. We should see this drop now, and to test that low, actually, we should see it go lower. Now we're beginning to drop. We said that we are expecting this to drop again, because as we looked at one of our other charts here, right there, we're able to tell where the strength is just about out of steam, and that's where it was running out of steam, losing more strength each time that top was tested. So it became pretty clear that the change in direction there was imminent. Now, interesting, on our chart here, we are beginning to see a color change. We're losing more strength right at that particular price. Now, it could turn again and go yellow at this particular point, and it did. So that in itself would constitute a group reversal, but the volatility is not that great right now. That would be, in fact, a relatively poorly formed group reversal, although it in fact constitutes such by its nature. Normally we would see that happen closer to the bottom of this move. Here we see it happening right there. That's really not the place where we would expect that to occur. May have a little bit to do with the dynamics of a Fed day. So yeah, this is more like it. More, if we're going to see a group reversal that will really turn the market, it's going to happen at a lower price. Yeah, we have the same thing happen over on this chart. And we should get ready for a fairly significant drop here, right as we break through that support area. Normal pattern that we see develop here: a strong move down, weak move up, another strong move down would be typical of the pattern. So we'll see if that is produced here momentarily.